We have another one, guys. A beautiful Porsche 911 Rallye. And yep, the 2024 one. I had doubles as always, and I wanted to bust it open and hang out with you guys for a few seconds. So yeah, man, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe on your boy Rob the Weekend. You guys may know that already. So it is, man. Sure, it's gonna look better once we bust it open out the case here. So let's get back to it. Look at the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. Right, let's go. Everyone's doing well. Sorry about that. There we go. That sounds a little knife here. All right. Hope you guys been enjoying the busting opens that I've been putting up. Let me know if there's a certain car you want to see. I'm pretty sure I may have doubles, but let me know. All right. So here she is. That is a beauty. Top here. Top view. Back. Oh, we got some mufflers. Cool. Nice paint job, nice white rims. Good. How she looks. Slide her to the ground. Nice. But one more time. Nice, smooth. All right, so how about we put her on the display? Give her a little spin here. And there you have it, guys. It's a beautiful Porsche. So hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what car you want to see busted open on the show. I'll be more than happy to do it. For the time being, that's all I got for you guys. Take care.